Oh yeah.
You don't catch a whale or leave them fish alone.
If there's not a fish here, I'm just gonna quit fishing. Holy crap, look at that carp right there. What is up, everybody? Fish Hulk here. Today we're doing some urban creek fishing. We're fishing for anything that's willing to bite. I've never been here before and it's gonna be a warm day. Hopefully I can catch some. Stay tuned. I'm gonna start out with this Euro Tackle soft plastic. I'm gonna pair it up with a 1/16 ounce jig head. Great multi-species bait, should be able to catch some panfish, bass, whatever else is in here. Today I got my 6-foot light Fish Hulk rod, Shimano Ultegra 1000 reel, and 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Got him. Oh, we got a nice bass. Oh, look at that, guys. First fish of the day. That's a nice chunky bass, guys. Real nice. All right, guys, for the release. Oh. Water's actually pretty cool. All right, guys, we're on the board. That was a heck of a fight on this light rod. Not much places to cast here. A lot of vegetation. Seeing lots and lots of fish, but they're pretty spooky. This water's like really low and clear, so they're very skittish. Look at this little fella. Oh my gosh, he inhaled it. Look how fat this little largemouth is, guys. Look at the belly on him. Pretty little fish. See ya, buddy. Got him. Bluegill. Not a very big one, but we'll take it. Pretty little bluegill. The joys of urban creek fishing. Sirens, people, traffic. Don't you love it? Good shaded spot. Water gets a little deeper. Gotta be fish in here. Gotta be. Wow. Oh, what's that? I think that's a green sunfish. Another species to add to the list for today. See ya, buddy. Got him. Ooh, crappie. Yes, let's go. Look at that, guys. Another species. What a beautiful fish. See ya, buddy. All right, guys. Caught that crappie right here at the base of the bridge, just casting up along it and just kind of almost vertical jigging it. I'd say most of these fish are hiding under the bridges. Got him. Another crappie. Found the crappie hole. Let's go. About the same size, maybe. What a beautiful fish, though. Wow. See ya, buddy. Heck yeah, guys. 2 fish from this spot right here. Let's keep hammering them. Might as well, right? Got him. This one's not a crappie. This is a bluegill, I think. Oh yeah.
You don't catch a whale or leave them fish alone.
Look at that.
Shit.
Huh?
Right now, we hop over here and get the grill stopped.
That's a big one, isn't it? That's a nice one. That's probably the nicest one I've caught today. Ooh, yeah. Nice bluegill, guys. Look at the belly on this thing.
You're not going to cook it, are you?
Heck no.
Hey, have a good one, all right?
You too, man. Look at that, guys. We're doing work now, guys. We found the honey hole. That guy came up beside me and scared the crap out of me. I'm just standing here fishing and he's like, I don't know what he even said, but it startled me. Got him. Oh, how did he get off? Oh, a fish just bit off my soft plastic, so I might switch it up and go to a different soft plastic or put one of these back on, I'm not sure. All right, guys, we're gonna go even more finesse. I have a tiny little jig head and a power bait power worm. It's got some nice scent on it, so maybe it'll get some bites. All right, guys, we've done pretty well at this spot. Let's go explore some more. On a bright sunny day like this, any shade is gonna be very key, so make sure you're hitting the shade. Gotta be some fish here, guys. If there's not a fish here, I'm just gonna quit fishing. Oh, I got a bass. Look at this little sucker. Pretty little bass right there, guys. That last fish I caught, I was actually stuck and I jerked it loose, and when I jerked it loose, he chased it and drilled it. Oh, I got a fish. Ooh, it's a bass. A little better one. Pretty little bass. See you, buddy. I knew there had to be fish here. I really want to fish over there in that corner, but I can't cast to it, so I'm actually going to walk in. It's really shallow over there. I just got to cross this deep spot right here. I made it. See if I'm rewarded or not. Yep, I'm rewarded. Oh, nice bluegill. Oh my gosh. That is a nice bluegill. I knew there'd be fish over here in this spot. It has everything a fish could want. Structure, shade, and current. All right, guys, we caught a couple fish here. We're going to head to a new section. Just got to the new spot, looks pretty good. A lot bigger and a lot deeper. I'm gonna go with a little bigger bait, see what happens. Got something. Oh, it's a little bass. We'll take it. Just a little fella. Got him. Ah, greenie. Not a big one, but he's feisty. See you, buddy. This body of water here is pretty featureless. It doesn't have much current to it, and it doesn't really have any structure. So up along the edges where this wall is a good spot to target. It's got a little bit of shade and some cover for the fish. So I'm just casting up along, walking my way up the stream. Holy crap, look at that carp right there. Look over there at that carp. I don't know what the heck they're doing. This place is absolutely loaded with carp. I've probably seen 20. All right, guys, I fished as far as I can. I cannot fish past this bridge right here, so I'm gonna head back to the truck and look for a new spot. Oh, got a bass. Just a little fella. Very pretty one. Is that a largemouth or a spotted bass? I have no idea, but it is gorgeous. There we go. Fish on. Oh, what do we got? Bluegill? I think that's just your standard bluegill, guys. Fought hard though. See you, buddy. No way. Little green sunfish. See you, buddy. All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a great day of urban creek fishing. First time ever fishing here. I think I did pretty well. Caught lots of different species. Nothing big, but such a cool place to fish. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.